Welcome to the Ashford floor plan built by Keystone Homes right here in an award-winning neighborhood, Gregory Landing in North Augusta, South Carolina. So this home boasts 1662 square feet, has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, tons of amenities in this home. This house packs a ton of stuff in a small square footage. This is our model home for the neighborhood, but we can build you one exactly like it. So information about this home, Gregory Landing, the neighborhood, information about the city of North Augusta, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I am Joe Seaman with the J Properties Group, brokered by Maybaum Real Estate. My contact number is 803-270-7583. You can find me on all social media platforms. Feel free to DM me there, and we'll be talking to you soon.